Hey there, car enthusiasts, prepare to be electrified, both literally and figuratively, as we introduce the one-of-a-kind Renault 5 Alpine A290_beta. But before we dive into the zesty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the hottest automotive news. Renault has once again outdone themselves with the Alpine A290_beta concept car. It's not just any ordinary electric vehicle, it's a sporty beast that will make your heart race faster than a cheetah chasing its prey. Get ready to feast your eyes on this futuristic hatchback that will make heads turn and jaws drop. The Alpine A290_beta, measuring a mere 4.05 meters in length, 1.85 meters in width, and 1.48 meters in height, boasts a design that harkens back to the glorious Renault 5 of the 80s, with its carbon fiber body kit, roof spoiler, and widened fenders. This car means serious business. Oh, did we mention the mind-boggling 20-inch wheels that light up like a disco party? Get ready to shine on the streets. Now, let's step inside this automotive marvel. Prepare to be seated in the center, just like a superstar driver in a race car, while your two lucky passengers get to enjoy the VIP treatment on either side. It's like riding in a McLaren F1, minus the hefty price tag. And speaking of luxury, the steering wheel is so plush and inviting, you'll feel like you're holding a fluffy cloud. The front panel, inspired by Formula One cars, adds a touch of adrenaline to your driving experience. And let's not forget the sumptuous blend of leather and carbon used throughout the interior. It's a feast for the senses, similar to its sibling, the Renault 5. The new Alpine A290_beta is built on the cutting-edge CMF-BEV platform. Brace yourselves for a thrilling 218 horsepower ride that will make your adrenaline soar. This electrifying hatchback comes equipped with torque vectoring, a sophisticated multi-link suspension, and Brembo brakes that can bring you to a stop quicker than a kid caught with their hand in the cookie jar. So, folks, if you're craving a unique blend of style, performance, and eco-friendliness, the Renault 5 Alpine A290_beta is here to make all your dreams come true. Keep your eyes peeled for its anticipated release in 2024. Remember to stay tuned for more exciting updates by subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell. Until next time, happy driving!